On today's video, we are very deep inside the slum of Lagos, and this is actually one of the biggest slums in Africa. So as you can see, I'm right here at MAKOKO, and this is how it looks. So I'll be showing you inside MAKOKO and the beautiful area view, and lots of other things we'll be discussing on this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. As you can see, this is where I'll be taking a boat to ride through the major city in MAKOKO. And this is the place. This is how it looks. Welcome to the city of the slum.
MAKOKO is the biggest slum in Nigeria and also one of the biggest in Africa, housing over 100,000 of people. Kindly watch the video to the ending to discover more on this MAKOKO trip and also subscribe to my channel.
Hey, wait. Yeah, I dey touch until I no like oh. Oh yeah, how much I will give her?
No one that one was talking no awesome. Now I look at me in the job.
So you say you won't go.
Aye.
So you not be carry on.
I mean, man go drop me for all this. No, we are going to sit down.
I be go enter the.
MAKOKO.
You dey hear that, Abi?
How much? Eh? I hope you don't mind a bit. So I just like. I'm inside a boat. This is MAKOKO. Very beautiful. So I was told the ballet should not see me so he doesn't get angry. Let's go. I define those ones where they catch fish. I want to follow them go catch fish. I want them for boats, make them they catch the fish.
One day how they do it.
Make them they catch fish.
You go charge me.
You go charge me?
Yeah.
Like how much?
So you go say you go like enter.
Ah, he played in 5,000 plenty now. I no go collect fish oh.
I don't know. So you go follow you go do so you do like 1 hour.
No, 1 hour too much. I just want to watch as they catch that fish. I just want the adventures.
Service fee.
I sabi swim, but no be river.
Okay, now
Swimming
swim.
pool. And the small water within my maternal home, I sabi swim those ones.
Where you live?
Eh?
Where you live?
Here.
So you carry motor come, Abi?
No, I just call my guys and they come. So.
Because I know that the person who live here, all of them will come motor.
No be so. I mean, suppose they be everybody just a struggle, sha.
Aside that, when the airport.
God's willing.
Once I come already, people are playing.
Anyway. They tell me say get ready. Club no dey here,
Club,
club.
club guys like those views that you do here,
For where?
of that year.
VL a big place, son. Many opportunities.
You were there with you.
Oh. How far?
Mais donc là, quoi?
Like that small girl they ride on. Ah, she's strong oh. Eh? How about don't fall inside water? The water no deep.
No deep.
Ah, I feel. Sorry, yeah. Sorry, yeah. Which side you this stay? Your house far. So that he go carry me come back, have you?
This boy, no, he's going to go drive another canoe.
Okay.
So,
And I can go carry me come back.
you go talk to them. So, you won't camera.
Hey, if the canoe no come, they go outside, don't come.
I go go and drop you, go tell them I don't carry.
Mama. Yeah, carry.
Wale ọ̀gá mi. Gbósà. Ọ̀gá ẹ bá ń gbé kìíní ẹ̀ la. Wọ́n gbé. Olú nílé. Olú sí o. Hey! Kali orang boleh lagi. Kali orang boleh. Hah? Okay, okay.
Which type?
Satu. Morning.
Which type of work you dey do?
Is it?
You, which type of work you dey do?
Okay.
Which work?
Work. Okay, now this is business.
Fish.
No, globe. Like,
Electrician. Wow, that's a good job. Like your shop be that? Wow. So when we drop, I'll collect your number.
So at the other time, I say, this time they go work because.
Which boy? Say this one.
If you attend the people, other people will carry you. You know, we go charge you.
Hey, man, drop me now.
We go drop back. So I'm gonna be do. I come on you for you. I come on you for. I jira lepo. I pay. I know you for. So we go drive you. Go the place, the last time. Not be the place with the house.
Okay.
The place where the so we go this story. We go hold that place. We go put trouble.
Oh yeah, no.
You understand?
You don't tell him, Abi.
I don't. Hey, I come. You don't want you come. You don't call the level.
Shit, this water they ever dry?
They dry. It dry now.
Like this, let me dry.
Dry.
Jesus Christ. If you can't phone call, let me they reach.
If they come, they will do
Like this.
Go, hey, Baba, go. Go.
Eh? Hey, wait. Now traffic with this one. I never see traffic goes before. I tell only for road traffic they do. I know say they for water. You want to buy something?
No, I won't carry my phone.
Okay. We are on a traffic.